instantly fix that persistent Bosch Dishwasher E15 error. This guide targets the common Bosch 18-inch Slimline Dishwasher E15 error, often caused by a malfunctioning float switch. First, you need to safely disconnect power and water, then remove the kick plate to expose the float assembly. This initial access is crucial for diagnosing the issue. If simply draining the base doesn't resolve it, the problem usually lies with debris obstructing the float's movement, which brings us to method 2. Carefully inspect the float switch area for any food particles, grease, or small objects. Clearing these obstructions allows the float to move freely, accurately reporting water levels. Should cleaning not restore function, method 3 focuses on testing the float sensor itself. Gently lift and lower the float, listening for a clear click, and confirm its full range of motion. This verifies the mechanical integrity of the switch. Finally, method 4 involves carefully reassembling the kick plate, reconnecting power and water, then running a quick test cycle. This ensures the Bosch Dishwasher E15 error is cleared and your appliance is back to perfect working order. Don't let a simple float issue keep your dishes dirty. Follow these steps for a quick, effective repair.